Hi everyone, so today we're going to be making a Puerto Rican dish called escabeche de pescao. So these are the ingredients that we're going to be using. So here I have my kingfish, which is also Sierra fish. Help me if I'm saying it wrong. I have my all-purpose flour, oregano, black pepper, adobo, bay leaves, parsley flakes. I have my extra virgin olive oil, some vinegar, my green olives, garlic cloves, onions, a lemon, and a pack of sazon. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first step that I'm gonna do is take my fish and I'm gonna rinse it and clean it in really cold water. So now that I rinsed my fish in cold water, I'm gonna come with my lemon and I'm gonna cut it in half and I'm gonna juice it because I don't have the squeezer. Okay, so I'll be right back. So now that I have my lemon squeezed, what I'm gonna do is just pour it on top, just like this. And I'm just gonna mix it around with my clean hands. This is gonna help take off any bacteria or anything that's on it, okay? So once I do this, I'm just gonna let it sit there for like a minute and then rinse it again. Okay guys, so it's been sitting here for a minute. Now I'm gonna come and rinse it in cold water. Okay guys, so now that my fish is nice and rinsed, what I'm gonna come and do is take some napkins and put it on a plate, and I'm gonna take my fish and just put it right on top, because when we go to season this, we do not want it wet. We want the seasoning to like stick. Okay, so I'm just gonna put them like this, and then I'm gonna come with another half of Scotch towels and we're gonna dap it on top, because we want it again dry. Okay, so now that I have it nice and dry, what I'm gonna do is lift up the napkin just like this, and I'm gonna put it on the plate so we can start seasoning it. Okay, just like that. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna come with some black pepper. You could put this to your liking. Again, I'm gonna have all my ingredients and exactly what I'm using in my description below, so you guys don't have to worry, okay? And if you guys like the video so far, don't forget to like and share it out to your friends and family, okay? Now I'm going to add some sazon. And some adobo. Okay, this is gonna give it a nice flavor. You don't want to overdo it because the sauce that you're gonna be putting on this is gonna be flavored too. Okay, so once you have it like that, you're just gonna come again with your clean hands and you're gonna rub it. Okay, now I'm going to flip it and do the same thing to this side. Okay, so now that my fish is seasoned, we're gonna jump to the next step. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is I have my flour here. I'm gonna come with my parsley and I'm just gonna mix it in. Okay, I'm gonna take a spoon and just blend it well. Okay, and then once I have that mix, I'm gonna come with one of my fish and I'm just gonna put it in here because I want to coat it well. Okay, so you can take a spoon, you can use your hands, however I usually use my hands, but since I have the spoon here, I'm okay. And then I'm gonna flip it. Just make sure it's really coated. Okay, once it's coated, we're gonna jump to the next step. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna add some oil to a pan. You want to put enough, around that much, and then I'm gonna put my flames on to a medium heat. Okay, and we're gonna let that get hot. Okay guys, now that this is nice and hot, what I'm gonna do is add my fish just like this. This cooks quick, so you're gonna give it 10 minutes on each side. Okay guys, so while my fish is frying, I'm gonna come and start cutting my onions, okay? So I just want to show you how I'm gonna cut them. You could cut them to your liking, but this is the way I do it. Okay, so I'm gonna come and I'm just gonna, let me take off this, I don't like this stuff right here. Okay, so I'm gonna come and I'm just gonna slice them like this. You want them thin, like this, okay? So we're gonna do that and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the way the onions look chopped up, okay? And I also mashed my garlic in the pilon. So you can mash it the way you like, it's to your preference. Okay guys, so my fish has been frying for 10 minutes. On this side, what I'm gonna come and do is flip it, but I'm gonna flip it with a fork and a spoon or whatever you like. You see that crispiness? That's what you want. You don't want to overcook it because then it's gonna cook out that flavor. Look at how beautiful that's looking. Guys, if you like what you're seeing and you're not a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, don't forget to like and share it out to your friends and family. Okay? So we're going to leave this for another 10 minutes. Okay guys, so this has been cooking for another 10 minutes. What I'm going to do is flip it just to see. Look at how beautiful that is. Perfect. So what I'm going to do is come and take it out. I'm going to put it in a clear container like this. And then we'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just want to show you I have it in a clear container. Now we're going to jump to the next step, okay? Okay guys, so now I'm going to put my flames to a medium low. And I'm going to start adding my olive oil. Just like that. You want to make sure you add the olive oil and the vinegar all at once, because you don't want the olive oil to get hot and then you put the vinegar and it just splashes everywhere. Okay, so we're just going to let this get hot for a few seconds and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that this is hot, I'm going to come with my garlic and I'm just going to add it in there. Give it a nice stir. Okay. I'm also going to add my black pepper, my oregano, and my adobo. Now I'm going to give that a nice stir. And we're going to add our onions. Okay, just like this. Give it a nice stir. And I will again have the ingredients and in my description and what I'm using. Okay, so we're gonna let this cook for a few minutes and we'll be right back. So this has been cooking for like around a minute and a half, I want to say. So now I'm gonna come and add my olives. And I'm also going to add my bay leaves, okay? And once you add it, we're just gonna mix everything up. This is so delicious. It's crazy. And when you make this, know that you have to leave it at least for a day in the fridge, because that's when you're gonna really taste it. Okay, so we're gonna leave this for a few more minutes and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so this has been cooking for 6.5 minutes, 7 minutes now. And now I'm gonna turn it off and we're gonna jump to the next step, okay? Okay guys, so now that this is done, this is the way the fish looks and this is the way the sauteed onions and everything look. So now we're gonna come and we're just gonna right over it. Look at that. Oh my god, I can't wait. Then you're gonna come and you're just gonna leave it just like this. You're gonna let it cool like maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're gonna put this in the fridge for 24 hours, and we'll be back in 24 hours. Hey guys, so it's been 24 hours since my escabeche de pescao has been sitting in the fridge. This is the way I plated it up. I added some guineitos with some avocado, and I added the onions on top, and I am ready to eat. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and if you are, thank you, and like always, have a blessed day.